Good morning, my dear students. Let us learn maths. Kindly take your textbook page number 154 and 155. Page number 154 and 155. Lesson number 6. Calendar. Dear students, in this lesson we are going to learn about days, weeks, months and year. Days, weeks, months and year. Days. Every time you get up, it is a new day. Every time you get up, it is a new day. Each day really starts at midnight 12 o'clock and ends next midnight. Dear students, each day starts at midnight 12 o'clock and ends next midnight. 24 hours make one day. 24 hours make one day. One day equal to 24 hours. Dear students, you see in your textbook here 4 types of pictures are given. First one is of midnight. Midnight we see moon and stars in the sky, isn't it? Next one is of sunrise. Then midday. Midday what happens? Sun shines brightly, isn't it? Next one is of sunset. Each day is special. Each day is special. There are 7 days. How many days? 7 days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And after Sunday, it is Monday again. After Sunday, again Monday starts, isn't it? Dear students, you see Monday. Monday's short form how we write? M-O-N. Okay? Tuesday. Tuesday's short form is T-U-E. Wednesday. Wednesday's short form is W-E-D. Thursday. Thursday's short form is T-H-U. Friday. Friday's short form F-R-I. Saturday. Saturday's short form S-A-T. Sunday. Sunday's short form is S-U-N. Okay. Now let's see. Week. 7 days together make a week. 7 days together make a week. A week is a period of 7 days. A week is a period of 7 days. Example, 1 week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Together make a week. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Together make a week. 1 week equal to 7 days. 1 week equal to 7 days. Now let's see weekdays and weekend. Weekdays Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Weekend Saturday and Sunday. Next you see today, yesterday and tomorrow. Today. Today means the present day. Okay. Yesterday. A day before is called yesterday. Tomorrow. A day after is called tomorrow. Okay. You see here 3 columns are given. In the center it is today. Okay. Today. A day before. Today is Monday. A day before it was Sunday. Isn't it? And a day after. That means tomorrow. Tuesday. Next you see Wednesday. Wednesday. A day before Wednesday it was. That means yesterday. Tuesday. So you have to write Tuesday. And a day after tomorrow. That means Thursday. Next, Friday. A day before Friday, that means yesterday, Thursday. A day after means tomorrow. After Friday, Saturday. Then Tuesday. A day before Tuesday, that means yesterday, Monday. A day after, that means tomorrow, Wednesday. So you have to write in the blank these correct days. Okay, hope you got it. Dear students, for your homework you have to learn the name of week. Okay, in 1 week how many days? 7 days. Which are they? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, thank you dear students.